Hey guys, so today we're gonna learn how to create a UI design. UI stands for user interface, and we are gonna create something like this. So the software that we're gonna be using is known as Adobe XD. Okay, so I already have collected some pictures like the basic layout and this. So let's begin. Now, to insert a picture, we use the command Control, Shift, and I. Okay, so we are gonna take this picture, I'm gonna align it and stretch it completely. Now comes the logo again by pressing Control, Shift, and I. This is the logo. Oh my god, that's so huge. That's what she said. Okay, so this logo goes here. Now you can see I have this text over here. So how I created it, actually I used Photoshop for it. Okay, I'm gonna tell you how. Yeah, so we're gonna open that file. Okay, where is it? Here. Now what we're gonna do is, since we need this text, so we are gonna select this off, right click, layer via cut, select this layer, delete, use the arrow pointer, bring it to center, use the paint, and we're gonna color it white. Now we're gonna file, save as PNG, we're gonna save it as isro_png, none, and we are good to go. No, we don't want to overwrite it. So going back to Adobe XD, again pressing Control Shift and I. Here we have our isro.png file. Just gonna increase the font size, the picture size, I'm so sorry. I guess this is gonna align it to the center. Yeah, so let's see. Now we're gonna add this home, about ISRO, our mission, and contact us buttons. So press T over here, or you can use the text button. Oh, okay, that's again so huge. I'm gonna reduce the size. Control Z for undo, bring it down, reduce the size, align it over here, and change the font. Okay, so sorry for that. Yeah, so here's the font that we're going to be using. We'll reduce its size, and this is, I guess, enough. Yeah, Control C and Control V for copying it. We're going to keep a distance of 150. Here we're going to write about ISRO. The next slide we have our mission. Okay, the font over there looks a bit different because it's bold, and over here we have regular, and it's 140, I guess is fine, or it's 120. Copy, paste, and it's again our mission. And the last contact us option. Okay, so now what we are left, can we achieve it? I hope India will. Okay, select all. I'm gonna bold it. Okay, text color, I guess white is fine. So place it over here. Yeah, it looks good, and it's time for the text of Kaganya. Now we're gonna increase its size. I guess it's fine. Now to fade it, we're gonna reduce the fill effect to about 30%. This is it. Explore. Now comes this thing that we're gonna make. Use a circle. We keep it to around 40 by 50 by 50, I suppose will look good. Okay. Now, see. Here. We're gonna fill it this color. Okay. Remove the borders. Now we're gonna take the triangle tool. We're gonna create a triangle over here like this. Align it towards the center. Use 20 by 20, rotate it by 90 degrees. It's like this. Okay. Now, next, explore. Yeah. Reduce the font size significantly. I guess I have to reduce it a bit more. Okay, so no transparency at all. Now comes the last part, sign. Gift the humanity. Is a bit, yeah. Align like this. Now comes the most important part, to add our logo. Copyright claims are quite significant in our country. Yeah, so this is how the final output looks like. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please press the subscribe button. Do like the video and share with your friends. Thanks.